Welcome to GMC Machine Tools, quality equipment you can trust. Here we have the GMC BS-330TSA 13-inch bandsaw with 13-inch by 18-inch capacity and is semi-automatic. This is a Taiwan quality machine and is our premier bandsaw. This machine has hydraulic clamping that clamps the material, lowers the head, then automatically raises the head back up after the cut is done. The blade speed can be varied from 66 feet per minute to 264 feet per minute with a dial that sets the speed. This bandsaw comes standard with a powerful flood coolant system as well as a patented blade tensioning gauge that makes it easy to achieve proper blade tension. With a variety of standard features, this bandsaw would make a great addition to any shop. Features such as large 1¼ blade for greater accuracy and speed, gear-driven transmission that makes the machine more reliable and rigid, saw head that miters from 0 to 45 degrees, vibration-free cast iron mitering head and bow, tungsten carbide blade roller guides that ensure a clean, high-quality cut, laser pointer guide that gives a visual reference exactly where the cut will be for cutting accuracy, 220-volt 3-phase power source and is backed by a 1-year parts-only warranty. GMC has been in business for over 20 years and have sold thousands of machines that are currently in the production field today. We have a large inventory of machines in stock for quick delivery and also have factory tech support as well as a full parts department, so you won't have to worry about production downtime. To find out more about this or any of our other products, or to receive a quote, please give us a call at 909-947-7787. On behalf of GMC Machine Tools, we thank you for watching.